Hey everyone, it's Zip Dude here. I bought the cheapest Toyota Solara sight unseen. Will it make it home? I was looking for a new vehicle. I wanted a two-door car that was reliable, good on gas, and cheap. So, after doing some research, a Toyota Solara looks like it fit the bill. I hunted and hunted for several weeks, looking at vehicles, different mileage, different prices, and then I came across this one. My search radius was 250 miles from my house, and I primarily looked on Facebook Marketplace because they seem to have the most reasonable prices. Okay, $900 for a 2004 Toyota Solara with 360,000 miles. And there's a laundry list of issues with the vehicle. I contacted the person, and the vehicle was pending a sale. And I said, contact me if the deal falls through. About 2 weeks later, I ended up getting an instant message from the seller saying that the vehicle was available again. So I told them I wanted it, made arrangements, and immediately went down to get it. It was about 140 miles for me to travel to pick up this vehicle. So I got my friend, loaded up the car with all the fluid that I thought we could possibly need if there was a problem, a toolkit, and took the 2-hour journey to go see the car. And it's funny, the farther I traveled from my house, the more I was getting apprehensive about this. I didn't see the car. I don't know what it's like. I don't know how well it's going to run. But I'm going to take this 140-mile journey with this car I didn't see and try to make it home. Okay, we arrived there mid-afternoon, and you can see the pictures of the car. This is in person. It's really not bad on the exterior. Scratches, dings, nothing crazy. There's no major dents. It doesn't look like it was really beat. The interior looks like it's in decent shape for, the year of the car and the mileage. I know a lot of these Toyotas have issues with the seat splitting and stuff like that. I mean, there's some wear on a driver's seat, but, that's pretty much it. There's no tears. Everything looks like it's in fairly good shape. Well, there you go. 368,000 miles. Okay, let's fire it up and see what it sounds like. Okay, it starts. It's idling. Sounds rough. Antifreeze is low, oil is low, so we're going to add stuff there to top that off. Back tires are pretty near bald, but they're still functional. The brakes are super, super spongy. Also, there's no heat, there's no air conditioning, and every trouble light that could be on is on. So, went and did the paperwork, transferred the car over. Now we're going to check over the lights and turn signals and brakes, make sure the brake lights work and everything. And then we're going to get on the road and see what happens. Man, I made it. The car didn't break down. No problems. Found some additional issues with it. Definitely needs struts. And there's some type of noise coming from the right rear So I don't know if there's a brake caliper hanging up or what the issue is, but there's something going on there. So I made it, didn't break down, went to 140 miles. Stay tuned for part 2 of the video where I actually go over everything and try to figure out what all the trouble codes are, how to fix them, and what I can do to make this a reliable daily driver. Thank you for watching, and please check out my other parts of this video, and please like and subscribe. Thanks.